Forex trading is the act of buying and selling currencies. It takes place in the foreign exchange market, also known as the Forex or FX market. This market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Every day, trillions of dollars are exchanged. People trade currencies for many reasons. Some do it for business purposes, like international companies that need to pay for goods and services in foreign currencies. Others trade to make a profit. They buy a currency when it is undervalued and sell it when it rises in value. Forex trading is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This is because it operates across different time zones around the world, from New York to Tokyo. This gives traders the flexibility to trade at almost any time. In this essay, we will cover the basics of Forex trading. We will explain the main concepts and terms. We will also discuss strategies and risk management. By the end, you will have a solid understanding of how Forex trading works. Currency pairs are the foundation of Forex trading. When you trade Forex, you are always dealing with two currencies. One currency is bought and the other is sold. These two currencies form a pair, such as EUR-USD or GBP-JPY. The first currency in the pair is the base currency. The second currency is the quote currency. The value of the pair tells you how much of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. For example, if EUR-USD is 1.10, you need 1.10 USD to buy 1 EUR. Currency pairs are categorized into 3 types: majors, minors, and exotics. Major pairs include the most traded currencies, such as EUR-USD and USD-JPY. Minor pairs do not include the US dollar, such as EUR-GBP. Exotic pairs involve one major currency and one from a smaller economy, like USD-CTRI. The price of a currency pair is influenced by many factors. These include economic indicators, political events, and market sentiment. Traders analyze these factors to predict price movements and make trading decisions. In Forex trading, a pip measures price movement. Pip means percentage in point. For most pairs, 1 pip equals 0.0001. Leverage lets traders control large positions with little money. It's shown as a ratio, like 100. 1. Leverage can increase both gains and losses. Margin is the money needed to open a leveraged trade. It's a percentage of the trade size. These are key concepts in Forex trading. The Forex market is made up of various participants. Each plays a different role. The biggest players are central banks and governments. They use the Forex market to manage their country's currency value and monetary policy. Commercial banks are also major players. They facilitate currency exchange for businesses and individuals. They also trade for their own profit. Investment funds and hedge funds trade large volumes of currency to achieve their investment goals. Corporations use the Forex market to hedge against currency risk. For example, a company based in the US might use the market to protect against changes in the value of the euro if they conduct business in Europe. Retail traders are individuals who trade for their own profit. They use online trading platforms provided by brokers. Although retail traders account for a smaller portion of the market, their numbers are growing rapidly. Section 5. The role of brokers and platforms. Brokers act as intermediaries between retail traders and the Forex market. They provide the platform needed to execute trades. These platforms offer various tools and features to help traders analyze the market and make decisions. There are 2 main types of brokers: dealing desk and non-dealing desk. Dealing desk brokers create their own market and take the opposite side of a trade. Non-dealing desk brokers connect traders directly to the interbank market. Trading platforms vary in their offerings. They typically include charts, news feeds, and technical analysis tools. Some popular platforms are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. These platforms are accessible via desktop, web, or mobile devices. Choosing a reliable broker and platform is essential. Look for brokers with good reputations, tight spreads, and low fees. Ensure the platform is user-friendly and offers the features you need for your trading strategy. Section 6. Importance of risk management. Risk management is crucial in Forex trading. It helps you protect your capital and stay in the game for the long term. One of the main tools for risk management is the stop-loss order. This order closes a trade once it reaches a certain loss level, preventing further losses. Traders should also use proper position sizing. This means determining the amount of money to risk on each trade. A common rule is to risk no more than 1 to 2% of your trading account on a single trade. This helps you survive losing streaks. Diversification is another key strategy. Instead of trading just one currency pair, spread your risk across multiple pairs. This reduces the impact of a single trade going wrong. Always stay informed about market conditions and news that could affect your trades. Emotions can cloud judgment, leading to impulsive decisions. Stick to your trading plan and risk management rules. This disciplined approach will help you achieve consistent results over time. Section 7. Basic Forex Trading Strategies. There are many strategies used in Forex trading. One basic strategy is trend following. This involves identifying the direction of the market and trading in that direction. If the market is trending up, you buy. If it is trending down, you sell. Another strategy is range trading. This is used when the market is moving sideways within a range. Traders buy at the support level and sell at the resistance level. This strategy works well in stable market conditions. Breakout trading is another popular strategy. It involves trading when the price breaks out of a defined range or pattern. Breakouts often lead to significant price movements. Traders look for these opportunities to enter trades with high profit potential. Scalping is a short-term strategy. It involves making many small trades to capture quick profits. Scalpers focus on high liquidity currency pairs and make trades that last only a few minutes. This strategy requires quick decision-making and execution. Section 8. Common mistakes to avoid. New traders often make mistakes that can be costly. One common mistake is overtrading. This happens when traders make too many trades, often due to excitement or fear of missing out. Overtrading leads to higher transaction costs and increased risk. Another mistake is neglecting a trading plan. A solid plan includes entry and exit points, risk management rules, and strategy guidelines. Without a plan, trades become random and inconsistent, leading to losses. Failing to manage emotions is also a common error. Fear and greed can drive poor decisions, such as holding on to losing trades or taking excessive risks. Staying disciplined and following your plan helps avoid these pitfalls. Ignoring risk management is a critical mistake. Not using stop-loss orders or risking too much on a single trade can quickly deplete your trading account. Always prioritize risk management to protect your capital. Section 9. Conclusion: the path to becoming a successful trader. Forex trading offers many opportunities, but it requires knowledge and discipline. Understanding the basics, like currency pairs, pips, leverage, and margin, is essential. Knowing the main participants and their roles helps you see the bigger picture. Risk management is crucial for long-term success. Use tools like stop-loss orders and proper position sizing to protect your capital. Emotions can be a trader's worst enemy, so stick to your plan and stay disciplined. Start with basic strategies and practice them. Use demo accounts to gain experience without risking real money. As you gain confidence, you can explore more advanced strategies and techniques. The path to becoming a successful trader is a journey. Keep learning and adapting. With dedication and the right approach, you can achieve your trading goals.